We're going to be wiring a temperature sensor. So first thing you got to do is get your Arduino board, which I got right here. It's an Arduino R3. And over here, we're going to search for a temperature sensor and pull it right over here. So it's a pretty simple process to wire your temperature sensor. So there's three main wires that come from the temperature sensor. It's the power wire, it's the ground wire, and the signal wire, which we'll plug into the Arduino, and then we'll start the simulation to see if it turns on. Okay? So first is our power wire, which will go right into the 3.3 terminal, because that's how many volts we're going to be using, 3.3 volts. And we'll color this red, just for organization. This is going to be our ground wire, which we'll color black. And this will be our signal wire, which we can put in any one of these analog in slots. So we'll just put it into terminal A2. And we can color this one white. So what we just did was wire a temperature sensor. Let's wire a temperature sensor, and if you just start the simulation, it'll turn on the Arduino. Realistically, we can't really see if the temperature sensor is on, but if anything was wrong, it would display. But other than that, you guys just wired a temperature sensor, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.